Hello viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. This video is all about the India vs Australia Test Series 2020 to 2021. This is a very interesting motivation story which will change our life. Watch till the end, you will never lose confidence at any difficult times in your life. Before going to the 2020-2021 series, let's look at some of the most famous incidents that happened between these two teams. India's Australia Test Series is always one of the biggest series in the world. The famous Adelaide Test where Dravid scored a superb double century is always unforgettable one in the history. One of the historic matches which remains in the minds of Indian fans is 2001 Eden Garden Test, where India won the match, which is unbelievable with the help of Dravid Laxman partnership. Umpire Steve Buckner's controversial decision that shocked the entire cricket world. The Monkey Gate incident which happened between Harbhajan Singh and Andy Symonds is always unforgettable one. The rivalry between Mitchell Johnson and Virat Kohli. With the help of legends like Sehwag, Dravid, Ganguly, Sachin, India didn't even win the Test series in Australia. But in the year 2018 and 19, India won the series and created a history. But this is not a real win because India won without Steve Smith and David Warner. Let's go to the motivation story of India's Australia Test series. India started the series with a very bad loss at Adelaide Pink Ball Test. But they recovered from the loss and gave a strong comeback by winning the Test series. Before the first test, due to Corona, entire world is in lockdown. There was no sporting events as well. But things got slowly changed when there is a reduction in COVID-19 cases. Cricket matches are allowed to play in empty stadiums in most of the countries. In some countries, 50% of people were allowed. India departed to Australia with a huge confidence of winning the Test series. Virat Kohli and his men reached Australia amid COVID-19 pandemic. Strict quarantine protocols were in place for the safety of players and to host a match in a very safe and healthy manner. The first Test match that is held at Adelaide, 17 to 21st December 2020. It's a very beautiful cricket ground at Adelaide. This ground is known for the most famous matches between these two teams. It was a pink ball test. India is playing their first away pink ball test, and so it will be a different experience. India scored 244 and Australia scored 191 in their first inning. But in second innings, India lose wickets quickly and no one crossed 2-digit mark. Wickets fall out at very quick intervals and there was no time to look back what was happened. Australia started celebrated, Captain Kohli also departed and India lose remaining wickets for just 36. Sami also got injured of the final ball and it came to the end of the Indian innings. Australia chased down the target of 90 and they won the match very comfortable. Bad team selection, inexperience in playing pink ball, failed to build partnership is the main reason for India's loss. When we are facing too much trouble, we have to be patient and make those troubles into success. If we give up, then there is no chance for us to rise up. India have registered the lowest score ever. This OTP became very popular. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. When someone makes a mistake, don't forget about all the good they have done. Don't underestimate anyone around you. Everyone has the power to surprise anyone at any point of time. Kohli returned to India due to the birth of his first child. He does the team balance a lot. The entire world thought Australia will win 4-0. A calm gentleman, Ajinkya Rahane, took over the captainship from Virat Kohli and to lead the team. As a leader or captain of any team, we have to lead in a very positive manner, especially at difficult times. We want to back ourselves and be confident we will come back strong. The second test match at Melbourne, 26 to 30 December 2020, it's a Boxing Day test. MCG was opened in 1853, which is 168 years ago. It had hosted many famous international games. It is the world's second largest stadium next to Ahmedabad's Motira cricket ground. The beauty of this stadium is its attractive look and its stadium capacity is more than 1 lakh. Australia scored 195 in first innings and India scored 326 runs in first innings. Ajinkya Rahane scored a superb century. This shows his captain skills. Australia were all out for just 200 runs in second innings and India have to get 70 runs to win the test match. India chased down the target of 70 and won the test match. Forget about the past because you can't change history, but you can make history. Never fear about the toughness of opposition because sometimes miracles will happen. Every situation in life is temporary. Everything depends on how you react to situations. India's Australia third test at Sydney. Siraj became more emotional during national anthem and his tears shows his respect towards India. Many feelings will come and go, but that feeling when we hear our national anthem that rise our goosebumps is irreplaceably magical. Siraj was teased by fans and Indian team complained his incident to the on-field umpires to take action. It is really unpleasant behavior from the fan. The umpires and police investigated the incident and asked those fans to go out of the stadium. There is no caste in blood. There is only one caste, the caste of humanity. There is only one religion, religion of love. There is only one language, language of heart. Australia scored 338 runs, India scored 244 runs in first innings. Jadeja got injured while batting and it became a big blow for India. Australia scored 312 for 6 in second innings and declared their innings. India have to get 4 not 6 to win. India lose wickets at regular intervals at 1 or 2 for 3. Pujara and Pant build a big partnership. Pujara stands like a wall and scored 77 runs. Everyone thought there will be only 2 results. Australia will win or match will be tied. But Rishabh Pant has different ideas. Pant got injured while batting and is in heavy pain. He took painkillers and batted again. Pant was hitting 6s and 4s all around the ground and Australia got fear in their hearts. Steve Smith tried to destroy the Pant's god. This incident became more controversial but no clear evidences were found. Pant scoring runs too quickly and his approach became very dangerous. Never fear about the toughness of opposition. Fear has 2 meanings, forget everything and run, face everything and rise. Pant got out of 97 but Pant's innings gave India team a big courage. Jadeja was injured and Ashwin came to the bat. In the last session, Ashwin and Payne exchanged sledges. Payne asked Ashwin to come to Gabba for the final test. At sometimes our opposition will do strange things to spoil our concentration, but we have to handle it in a right way, then it will not affect us anymore. Ashwin got injured, but he understands the value of his wicket and he continued playing. Hanuma Vihari too also suffered from injury. Dedication level of Ravindra Jadeja is amazing. He took painkillers and bananas and padded up to bat if the team needs him to do. We have to show dedication towards anything we are doing. The dedication towards work will lead to huge success. Difficult roads often leads to beautiful destinations. The truth is that teamwork is the heart of great achievement and it will never fail. The final test match was held at Gabba. It is Australia's fortress. It's a beautiful cricket game to play the test match cricket. The last time Australia lost was against West Indies in 1988. After that they didn't even lose even a single game. But India didn't even win a test match at Gabba. Australia scored 369 runs and India scored 336 runs in first innings. Yorker king Natarajan impressed in his debut by taking 3 wickets in first innings. Siraj took 5-wicket haul for the first time in second innings and created history. Siraj faced racial abuse from fans and he never lost his confidence. He took 5-wicket haul. Siraj's reaction with Bumrah is priceless. At 186 for 6, the partnership of Thakur and Sundar played a key role. Sundar scored 62 runs and Thakur scored 67 runs. In second innings, Australia scored 294. The target for India to win is 327. Keeping the huge target in mind, Indian team started to bat with huge confidence. Gill played an excellent innings of his lifetime by scoring 91 runs. Gill lost his place in first test to his under-19 captain Prithvi Shaw. As Shaw was out of form, he got selected to play remaining test matches. Motivate others in difficult times and sometimes it will change others' life. Rishabh Pant's motivation behind the stumps is excellent one to watch. Cheteshwar Pujara is our next Indian wall. Without him, India didn't even achieve this victory. Pujara's special, batting for a long time at one end and not losing his wicket too early.
Low percentage full shot.
Patience is a key to success in life. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Rain and storms came in between the match, but it is not affected much. It came like a time pass. Pujara was out when India was at 228 and still 99 runs needed. Before first test, people called Rishabh Pant fat and many told he was even uneven to play. Saha didn't perform well in the first test, so Pant was recalled to the team. Entire world thought this match will be a draw or Australia will win, but Pant had different ideas. He smashed Australian bowlers for sixes and fours all around the ground. Don't force someone to behave in our way. Allow them to react in their own way and we can see the success. Don't underestimate anyone. Everyone has the power to surprise anyone at any time. Indian dressing room were in delayed and fans got nervous. Those final overs came. Washington Sundar played a key role with Pant by scoring quick 22 runs. Sundar and Thakur got departed. Only one man is fighting is Rishabh Pant. When India needed just 3 runs to win, players got really emotional and all are waiting for the winning moment. Hazelwood bowled the final ball. Rishabh Pant hit the boundary. Rishabh Pant is a star and India have won the match at Gaba.
He's got an injury with the groin. It goes as far as the fence. India, incredible. Rishabh Pant.
The winning moment is so glorious to watch. Indian players are in delight and all of them surrounded Rishabh Pant. Indian fans are delighted. Indian coach hugged Rishabh Pant was delightful to watch. Rishabh Pant's innings was compared with the Ben Stokes innings against Australia. Never underestimate anyone. Everyone has the power to give surprise to anyone at any time. Excellent captainship from Rahane. Indians celebrated the win by carrying the national flag. From losing the first test very badly and to broke the Australia's Gaba record and winning the series is really unbelievable. We fall, we break, we fall, but then we rise, we heal, we overcome. Google CEO Sundar Pichai's opinion about India's series win. Perfect reply to the experts who teased the Indian cricket team. The star of the series is Rishabh Pant, who ended up as the top run scorer for India. Media started to praise India's victory. The main headlines is Rishabh Pant and Gaba win. The positives we have to take from the series is we have to be always motivated and never lose confidence at any difficult situation. An obstacle is always a stepping stone. Within every obstacle, there is an opportunity to improve our condition. When we face failures, others will criticize us. But when we get success, all will forget about the past and praise us. Never underestimate ourselves. Our strength is our self-confidence, which will bring great success. Australia's coach Justin Langer's reply. Never take anything for granted. Never ever underestimate Indians.
Second, never ever underestimate the Indians. I mean, there's 1.5 billion Indians. If you play in that first 11, you're going to be really tough, don't you?
Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. Working together is success. If you like this video, press the like button. If you have any comments, drop your comments in the comment section. I will definitely reply to you. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, if you like my channel, please do subscribe and support. Please share if possible. Now it's time to buy.